Welcome to ContConcord. Hello there, I welcome you to the intro tutorial about how to register yourself to my platform. At ContConcord you can either order services to purchase backlinks, or even sell your backlinks to buyers. First of all, you need to register on portal with all the required details. And after the sign-up process, you will see two options. 1. Buyer. In this section, you will be able to purchase backlinks from registered sellers at ContConcord. 2. Publisher. In this section, you will be able to sell backlinks to registered buyers on our platform.